Oh yeah, kimchi time. 안녕하세요, welcome to Korea. I'm holding this kimchi for a reason because we're cooking Dubu Kimchi today. Let's begin. Dubu Kimchi is often served in bars. It's a sort of bar snack food you often buy when you're out having a drink. The most important thing is to have kimchi that has been fermented for a longer time, and I'm adding a little bit of pork. You can do it with pork belly as well. I just got pork, it was on sale at the supermarket when I was there, so I figured that's the way to do it. To prepare the tofu, cut it into thick slices based on how thick you want it. The thicker, probably the better. You'll get a crunchier outside and a softer inside. A lot of times people don't actually cook it up beforehand to serve with kimchi dubu, and you can just serve it, essentially like this, salt it, and then just serve it after you've wiped it down. Salt it and then just let it sit for 10 minutes to draw the moisture out. Then just remove the moisture with a paper towel. It's very easy, and it's definitely well worth doing if you're going to fry it up. Slice up our kimchi. Now you don't want to slice it too thinly, you don't want to slice it too thickly. To be honest, just slice it up and have a bit of a mix. Some pieces are smaller, some are bigger. Remember, when you're frying it up, it's going to shrink a little bit. And always taste the kimchi.
It's the best part.
Of course it's the best part. Delicious. Kimchi that's been fermented for longer is absolutely the best. As I mentioned, you don't need to do this step. If you want, just serve it with the tofu as is, but I love the taste. Tofu that is a little bit crunchy on the outside, or golden brown, and soft on the inside. I love the sound of it frying. Once again, pork. I'm using this sort of thinly sliced pork, but it can be tasty if you've just got some pork belly and then thinly slice that up a little bit. Add the kimchi and then fry it up for at least 5 minutes on high. You want that taste that you get when you're having pork belly on a barbecue and you throw kimchi on. It's absolutely beautiful, and you want it almost not burnt but just about burnt. That's the best flavor you'll get from fried kimchi. So mixing it up. Make sure all those gochu the gochu flakes, red pepper flakes are mixed in well. And it should turn a beautiful red color if you've done this perfectly. And then turn off the heat and add in a tablespoon of sesame oil and mix it around. And now it's perfect. How you plate this is up to you. Obviously, a lot of the times you'll see it sort of stacked on top of each other. They're almost like they're falling over. Usually when it's a little bit thinner sliced, mine are like big thick pieces, so I love it sort of stacked like this. And then just add the kimchi. It's pretty easy. And then the last step is to throw some sesame seeds on top. Of course, make sure when you're eating this that you mix it together. Have a bit of tofu with a bit of that kimchi with the pork, and the taste is excellent. There's a reason it's a popular bar food as well. So maybe pour a beer or a wine, have a drink, and have a relaxing dinner, or even just a good snack. Hope you enjoyed the video. On this channel, I post a new Korean recipe every week, sometimes twice a week if you're lucky, so keep an eye out for those. Follow along with the recipes. They're designed for beginners to follow, so let me know how it goes in the comments, and of course if there's any other recipes you'd like to see me try. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Keep an eye out for the next one, and in the meantime, have a wonderful day. Thanks.